Congratulations, graduates of 2024.
This is Fanshawe.
Happy graduation, my love.
Thank you.
Hi, join us in this short vlog as Lovey graduates from his first postgrad degree. This was November 5, 2024 and we drove all the way to London since kakamove lang namin to Mississauga noong September 2024. Buti na lang Fanshawe College provided parking spaces for each student so hindi na kami nahirapan maghanap. Pagpasok namin sa venue, dumiretso na si Lovey to meet his classmates while we decided to sit sa bandang side na medyo malapit sa stage.
This is Fanshawe.
After a few minutes, nag-start na rin agad yung convocation program. Ayan po.
Whether the message is from AI or me, we're immensely proud of you. As you follow your dreams, know that you're not alone. You are part of a vast network of alumni who, like you, carry the spirit of Fanshawe wherever they go. Congratulations, graduates of 2024. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your journey and enjoy this momentous day. Thank you.
Anas Ramirez. Ilse Halringi. Srivatsa Sanjay
Where's
Sridhar.
that?
Okay, the
Commercial
no, I
Flight
don't know.
and Aviation
Yeah, maybe he's late.
Leadership.
Yeah, he's also I came with him.
Joseph
Oh,
Kevin
okay.
He doesn't wanna
Acosta
cross.
Solorzano.
Really?
Simran Bola. Ralph Nino Moncao Bumala.
Steam rising from a porcelain cup. Sunlight dancing as the world wakes up. Pages.
Tara, let's.
Tampo ka na, hindi kita hawak.
Wow! Parang ang sarap na ito. Oh.
Spirits lang po. Pamatay. Ay, ito mo. Lalaki-lakin ko na to. Sarap.
Ito naman.
Ganun po.
Happy graduation, my love.
Thank you.
Cold,
Ito,
cold cuts na tapos nakaka.
wapen. Uy, shrimp po. Ubusin mo na yung shrimp, yung
Cold din
gano'n.
eh. Gusto ko ganun dito.
Ah, meron din doon. Ito ang masarap po. Shrimp salad. May peaches pa. May yogurt. Yogurt. May yogurt. Oh, dessert to.
Okay. Tiramisu.
Oo nga.
Parang yun ang gusto ko. Sarap ang
Chocolate fudge. Nanaimo bars. Ito masarap to. Nanaimo bars lang. Which one? Yung sa kabila? Yung natin chocolate fudge. May carrot. Sure. May ano, what do you call that? Ito. Chicken dumpling. Ano, Japanese? Walang yung gusto ko.
Salmon.
Sad.
Sashimi.
Ito na lang. Smoked salmon and cream cheese.
So ito, tsaka ito para sa...
Yeah, ayan yun. Tahan natin si Dad.
Hindi na rin ito.
November Happy birthday. Ay.
Madaming MSG.
Legit? Ayun yung mga gusto mo? Let's try.
Ito masyadong manghang, no?
Ay, manghang. Tingnan mo yung hipon niya.
Sulib mama, di sulib ka na po.